Welcome to our channel, BMWworldstickers.com. We have plenty of video applications, tutorials, and like as well how our bikes look after these amazing jobs that we produce. BMWworldstickers.com is as well the name of the website. For the people that are new in this channel, we have world map stickers from back the 800s, 850s, or now the 1250 adventures, all the GSs, or most of them. This time is a new introduction. Is PPF, Paint Protection Film, or as well Part Protection Film. The aim is to protect the bike from external agents like minor stone chipping, light scratches, gravel, and dirt from the road, like as well salt and petrol. Is water and scratch proof, like as well petrol. When you do apply it and then the petrol goes out all over the tank, the product, the PPF, will not move. Not to worry about that. It's totally transparent, is resistant to yellowing, and is very easy to install. Like as well, it's easy to remove as well. At the time of application, first you do need to clear the motorbike from external products that you had applied in order to make it shine. You can dilute alcohol with water, pharmacy alcohol, in order to clear it properly. After that is done, in a spray water container, you will mix 500 ml of water ratio with a tea-half spoon baby clear shampoo to create thickness to the water. You will apply it over the product, in this case the motorbike, and on the product as well, in the plastic, in the sticker, in and out of it. Then after will be easy to apply. You can remove it, place it, and when you have it all in line, you press on. And this is the result that you see. And then you pass to the knee panels. The same procedure. You clean it properly. Very important. And then you spray all over the actual PPF. And there you go. Always apply it precisely where it should be, and after you press on with the fingers. It's a very simple procedure. It will protect your bike, especially in these areas where with the time, the products, in this case the parts, or the painting, they get a scratch or they fade of so much use, especially when we wear our leather trousers or our textile ones. Attention to details as well, like as well on this small part that you are about to see, that we will apply as well. And in this case, the package of this video, in which we sell as a set, is called Center Line Tank and Knee Panels. So, hope you like it. I'm gonna leave you up to it. I would like to recommend safe rides and above all, great adventures. Thank you again. Please visit our website, BMWworldstickers.com.